Hey, this JD. What's going on, y'all? First off, I want to apologize because I ain't get the making of this masterpiece from the beginning. But I got the end part. So y'all check this out. This here is a pork shoulder done pot roast style. Okay? Pork shoulder done pot roast style. So I just took it out about 5 minutes ago. I'm gonna let it rest a couple of more minutes. Then I'm gonna dig in. Oh yeah. Stay tuned. So I done let this thing rest for about 10, 15. You see what it's looking like. Potato, carrot. You see that rosemary hopping around in there. Got a little bit of fennel going on. Still pretty much boiling hot, man. So what I did was I took that meat out the pot. I'm gonna let it rest for a few. But y'all see this goodness I got going on here, man. These potatoes, carrots, onions, celery, pepper, and okay, yeah, y'all see it. I'm gonna let it rest for a couple more before I cut on into it, before I dig into it. Y'all hold on a minute. So y'all see what we got going on here. So we've been resting for probably about 10. Yeah, probably about a good 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing a little slice and see what it's talking about. Here we go. Okay, let me give it a couple more. It's looking good right there. Looking good. The whole ordeal. Come on with that gravy drop. One more, hit me one more time. Yes, sir. There it is. Pork shoulder pot roast style. I'm gonna come with the ingredients and the how-tos on the part 2 of this here video, but y'all see it. You know what it is. This JD signing out. Holla.